Assalamu alaikum, dear guys. I hope you are fine and healthy. Today we have come to the Irfan Shahid Park. Here I am with my friend, and we are here enjoying ourselves. This is a place, a very peaceful place, and most of the people come here for enjoyment and pleasure, and they get the satisfaction here. So there are various poets who talked about the natural beauty, and one of them is John Keats, who says about the natural beauty that a thing of beauty is a joy forever. So we are also here. We are also, you can say, lovers of nature. So we are also the lovers of nature. So we have come here for enjoyment, and I have my friend, my best friend, who is very talented and God gifted. He will also throw light upon this area and this particular moment. Mr. Shoaib is also here with me, and he is just roaming here and there. He is going to have a word with us. Hello, Mr. Shoaib. How are you?
Hello, fine, thanks. What about you, man?
I am also fine. So how are you feeling here?
I'm feeling very well, fantastic, because it is a natural beauty, and you can say that it cures such wounds which cannot be, cured by the physicians or the doctors, because it cures, it heals, the spiritual wound. Really, I enjoy it to be here with this in the life of nature, and I want to be everywhere. I'm a lover of nature, and as you can say that there are many and various poets that have just written something about the nature, the beauty of nature. So one of them, Wordsworth, he also has written, he is a poet of nature. So we studied them very closely, and we can say that they enjoyed the nature, and we are now experiencing, especially they were worthwhile poets.
So would you like to come here again?
Yes, definitely. As I have told you that I love nature, so how a person can't deny such visits. I love to be here.
Yes, it is a very peaceful area, and most of the people, they come here for enjoyment, especially in Eid and other moments. They come here. So how are you feeling here? Are you happy?
Yes, I'm completely happy. You can say that I get such a satisfaction. We can say that is something spiritual. It is not only a physical beauty. It is we can say that not a physical merriment, but it is also a spiritual happiness.
Yeah, it gives aesthetic sense. You can say that. And dear audience, we are here and enjoying ourselves. Like you say, you can say that we are just over the moon here. Yeah. What do you say, Mr. Shoaib?
Yeah, obviously we are completely over the moon to be here with nature.
Yeah. Nature is a very beautiful phenomenon, and it can give you the peace and peace of mind, And my suggestion to the foreigners is that they can also come here to Pakistan, because Pakistan is a very peaceful country. Most of the visitors and tourists, they come to Pakistan for visits. So this is also a place of nature, and they can also come here and they can enjoy themselves, and they can have merriment here. So Shoaib, what do you say about this? So throw some light about it.
Yes, obviously, as you have given the suggestion about the place, and especially Pakistan is enriched with such visited, places, and that we have, Alhamdulillah, we are very close to it, and we are coming always and get, such satisfactions. So that is also a message for the rest of the people, even though in every corner of the world, they should just come here and enjoy themselves, especially in KPK.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Shoaib, and thank you so much for watching this video.